gracious.
Looking. Inside too wide. Oh, slow. Check up. Go low, low. Inside only. Coming across at you. Got to roll in here if you can. Leaders are in 2. Inside, too wide inside. 2. Still 3 wide. Checking up. Stay down low. There you go. We just crashed here, guys. Tight. 2 wide outside, tight. Slow for up top. Go low. The wrecking over there. Stay with it. Inside. Flat. Inside. Hang on to it, sir. Broker training. Got you braking? 15 back. Still outside, tight. Clear low. Outside. Clear high, inside. Caution. Save gas. There was a wreck behind you. Still there. Still outside. Inside. Keep going, buddy. Inside. Back to the 20 top side. Stay down. Stay all the way down. Clear high. Got a guy inside. Check up. Just watch them here. They're blocking the track. Stay high. Get up to speed before they hit you. Come on. Watch them here to come back down. Just watch this guy. There you go. Good job.
clear, caution's out. A couple of cars have really lost the draft. Go right in front of you. Come on. Come on. Let's go low, go low, go low. Go low, go low, go. Stay outside. Dig hard. Coming to the checker. Dig hard. Dig hard. Dig hard. Full wide. You're on the bottom. Come. Get it right if you can get it. Get it right if you can get it. Into the checker. If you can get it started, get it started. Spin up here in front of you, spin in front of you. On the right in the middle, right in the middle, on the bottom, 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 on the bottom. Caution is out here. All right, talk to it.
This dude right here is getting awful brave. Still going to be down there. You're clear of him. Nice and smooth here. Easy, easy, easy. Just keep it off the wall.
Hold it there, hold it. Just hold the brake here if you can, just hold it.
Looking inside now. Inside. He got hit by the 20. Hold the brake.
Inside lane, coming to the checker here. Frank, come on through here, come on through here, just get through here, just get through here. There you go.
2 bottom, 1 top. Still there. Still like that. 2 bottom, 1 top. We're in it, fellas. Stay on the gas if you can. Do what you can, man. All right, Jimmy. Come on, dig it, brother. You can do it. Bring that bitch home. Come on, pass them all. Nothing in front of you. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stay on the apron there. Pull your fire extinguisher once you get to the line there, bud. Nothing in front of you. Keep coming. Keep going. There you go. Get over there and get out of the car. Jimmy, all right, bud? He's out of the car. He's out of the car. Good for him. All right, boys. Let's go home.